Myself, Aparanjani Priyadarshini. We are continuing the Bootstrap recordings. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel, click on bell button, share and comment your doubts and like this video. And today's topic is carousel. Carousel means, like in any website, the starting page, that is on the home page, the pictures are going to be, the images are going to be sliding one after the other automatically. That. So let me show you first. Carousel. So here carousel also we required the bundle, that is popper and bootstrap.js we required. So this is a carousel. So to create this is an image. So here sliding is not there. So we'll go for the next. So here see, these are the icons. Now see. So now previous I want. So these are the icons. Using this, image is going to be moving. But here with this you can do, or without this also it is going to be moving automatically. See, automatically also it will move. So to do this, we need a carousel class, carousel inner and carousel item. Each item is going to be identifying with carousel item. So here see, so carousel don't automatically normalized slide dimensions, such as you may need to use additional utilities or custom style to appropriate size content, while carousel support previous next control and indicators also. Indicators means also I will show you. So here this is a icon, we can say these are the icons. Indicators means these are the indicators. So with the indicators also you can move it. Third one. Second one is not moved. Now see, we will go for the first one. See, second one. Individually also you can go. And these are the indicators. We'll call these are the indicators. So here for this, we need a class is called carousel inner. So from this, the carousel is going to be created. So the first is carousel and the slider. Here the carousel inner, inside this carousel item. Inside this you need to insert the image, and here any number of images you can insert it. So to when you are inserting these many, so which one should display first on the screen? So to identify the first image or whichever image you want first, there you can use the active class. And here the complete web page we need to show the image. So display block, as we have already learned W100 class, that is width 100% is the class. So carousel item, image, carousel item, image. So 3 images is there. So this is about our carousel. Now come to the indicators. These are the indicators. So these indicators, first after completing the carousel class, inside that and before the carousel inner, we need to use the carousel indicator class. Inside this, use 3 buttons, and in this buttons, this is a button type only, and here you write down the ID is there. So where it should target this data BS target, this ID we need to target. So on this image only it is on this carousel only it is going to be displaying this indicators. So it should be target on the, so it is on the same page, so we need to take the hash. Then data BS slide. So from where it should slide 0. So first image is going to be identifying 0. second is 1, third is 2. And now let me check this one. So class is active. So, and current is true, aerial current is true. Label is slide 1, the first slide. Then second one is second slide. And this is the third slide. So this is the indicators, and these indicators are going to be identifying 0, 1, 2. Here 3 only. Instead of that, if you are taking the 4 also, you can take the fourth button also. And now come to the this controllers. Okay, these icons. These icons, to create these icons, we will have a separate classes called carousel control previous. And here it is going to be targeting. This is also on the same slide. So target is going to be the same. Then here slide is database, slide is previous. For the next, we need to take the next. In this indicator, that icon you required, greater than symbol and less than symbol. So that we need to write in the same button we need, wherever the button is going to be created. But it is not normal button, and it should be an icon. So carousel control previous icon, and this is the carousel item next icon. Control next icon, we need to write it. Hidden is true, you can write it. And this class visualized hidden is text, and previous is also hidden. It should be, it is not going to be displaying, but this icon is going to be active. So now we will see the same thing. Here the captions also is there. So like caption also. So captions inside the image only we need to write it. So here image, div you can take, carousel caption, display none, and in the medium size is block. Then H5 paragraph, close it and close this div. Carousel item div is going to be closing. Similarly on this, it's a same. So I'll copy this and I'll paste in the program. So take another program, that is Bootstrap 20.html and HTML:5, and here link. Inside this, write down a Bootstrap and CSS. Here also Bootstrap. Here I'm taking the carousel class, and here a div container fluid. Inside this, if you want row, you can take row, otherwise you can copy the same thing. Now here this is not going to be implemented. See, we will see once. There is no image. Of course, image is not there. We have copied from the net. So before going to that, here this also we will copy, and then the plugins also we are going to be copying. And now this images, we will change the images. So this is the first image. Height and width also you can take. Later we will take how it looks. That with that we will change the height and width. Now see here, the image is too lengthy, and we are not able to see where will be the icons also. See here icon is there. Somewhere it is moved again. See. So it is not exactly like a carousel. So here you can use height is equal to, let me take some 300. See, same thing you can take in CSS also. I'm not focusing on CSS, only for the Bootstrap I'm focusing. So you can use this wherever the image is, take image, and there you can write the height of that image. So that will be the best one. Here simply I'm focusing how to use the carousel. Now see, all are in the same view. See, so you can change your titles, everything also. So this is about your carousel. So down you can copy the navbar also. In the previous class we have learned the navbar. So that navbar I'm going to copy. Okay, up to here navbar. So copy this. After carousel, now see, after carousel, navbar, or on the carousel also you can write it here. That's your wish. Wherever you want to, you can create the navbar, but not on the middle of the page. It won't be look good. So after carousel or at the starting of the carousel also, you can create. So this is about the carousel. And in the next video, we will see the other topic. Thank you.